everyone. Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. I want to share this unboxing of this paper pumpkin kit for the month of July. It's called Sending Good Thoughts. I have no clue on what it looks like, so I'm going to be exploring this together. I had it now for over a week and some change just sitting around. So this is about celebration. You know, they give out free items. So if you spend $50, you get to choose an item, a free item. And it depending upon how much you spend is how many free things you can get, or the level of free things you can get. But I believe this is over because this has been sitting here for a while. But if it's not, I'll just leave it in the description section if in the event someone is interested in it. So, let me get a white piece of paper because I always like to show the stamps on a white background. So these, it looks sea themed. Thinking of you, can't wait to see you, wishing you all the best, and sending good thoughts. Yeah. And what's this thing called here? I don't know what this is right here, but there's some starfish, a sailboat, look like a little seahorse here, some bows. Right. So sea themed. I'm not a big fan of the sea stuff, but it'll come in handy. Bermuda Bay. This is a stamping spot. That's the ink, the color. That ink, this color is so pretty. Look at this is my favorite color. Not saying that my favorite color is called Bermuda Bay, but this is the color. You know, different companies call this color, have different names for that same color. So let me take this out the box. I'm gonna go through this fairly quickly. I'm not gonna make anything with it tonight. I did do a video for the Love This Memory kit. So I'm tired, so I need to get my butt in the bed. All right, but I just want to do this real quick. Okay. Ooh, I pulled up the dimensionals. I need to slow down a bit. Good Lord. It's good, some good adhesion. That's one thing I would say about Stampin' Up adhesion, adhesives. Like the dimensionals, the stickers. Real good. Okay, so what we have here, we have dimensionals, some glue dots, and some ribbon. Well, not ribbon, but like and it's not thread, like yarn, very thin yarn. This is common for these to come in a paper pumpkin kit. And we're gonna see that what the cards look like. Okay, here are the instructions. Sending good thoughts. Totally seemed. Oh, okay, that's a letter. That's a letter that you could put in a bottle. Okay, so here are the instructions. As usual, it comes with instructions, which is very helpful. And so, we have, yeah, seahorse, starfish, birds. Looks like a seagull. Okay. So, I most likely will be making, like, journal cards with this. And, Bible journaling pages. Because it's not, like, I'm not interested in sending anyone a sea-themed card. The sentiment, yes, sending good thoughts, but not the actual, you know, theme. But these are really nice, and I you know, I know there are different ways I can use these. It's so cute. Look at that. Oh my God, I got... No, I did not. You know I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm gonna leave this right in there so see exactly. Oh my goodness. Now look at that. Now that looks really different. I'm thinking it was um white. And I was just about to say, well, I will have to decorate it. You gotta turn it over. So, but these are nice. Look at that. Oh, cutie patootie. I like that. Okay. I could see how I could use like the birds, sending good thoughts. Something just came to me when I think about, like, I think I'm going to see that letter. Let me see. So let me put that to the side. So that's cute. What else we have in here? Okay. Ooh, look at these. These are pretty. I like that. It's embossed. Ooh, look at this. Voila. I think I have a change of mind. Sometimes you gotta see all the things and then, you know, you get ideas. Because look at that. Let me see. Is that one of the ways they use it? Indeedy. Indeedy. Indeed. All right. That's cool. I like these embossed card. These go on the top of the card. This is pretty. Like, I have other ideas on how to use these. I don't only use paper pumpkin kit to make cards, but to do journaling cards and art journaling. Ooh, I really like these. Look at this. The bottles. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I like saying cutie patootie. Nice. I really like that. Really, really like that. And that stamp for the letter, you know, could go in there. And the ship. That's what they show in here. They show that. Yeah, it's stamped with the green, with the Bermuda Bay stamping spot. So I like that. Okay, so this is the card. Put all these pieces together. I know I'm tired because everything over here is on scattered about. That happens sometimes. Tired. I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna put it away tomorrow anyway because I don't leave it in the paper pumpkin kit box. You know what? Let's just take a couple of these out so we could see it better. Look at that. That's really cute. And I just had an idea for this. Oh. Okay, that's cool. That's really cool. Wow. Okay. And then there's the tag. Right. And it has this right here. You know, if you're going to tie something around a bottle, you have the string. There's a little punch out hole here. You know. Yeah, cool. I like that. Yeah, that's nice. All right. Ideas loading in my head. Okay, that's cool. I like these purple cards. Card bases. These are nice. Nice, nice, nice. Real nice. Ooh. This is nice color too. Cool. Ooh, ideas. And then here are some labels. We got nice. Yeah, I like that. Okay. And I really like this color. Nice. Ooh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Nice. Ooh. And I like these envelopes too. Color. No, these envelopes can be used to make a journal too. Yeah, these are nice. So that's it for the kit. So you got the mint green envelopes. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. Then we have these green cards. Bermuda Bay color light. Darkish gray. Got this lavender color. Then we have these labels. Then we have these, the top of these. I forgot what you call these again. But you know, they're like the top of the card parts. Like, cause you could do like this. Let me show you. Just in case somebody's watching that don't know. Bam. Those are, oh, that's really pretty together. This goes with all of them. Look at this. Ooh. This can go on. Oh, it's so much you could do with that. But these are really pretty. These are the 3 kinds. And they are embossed. So, you know, part of the card is raised. Then we have these nice bottles. And these, and some tags. And we have these elements. Right. I'm not going to pull this one out because I'm tired. I'm going to rip it. I know. I don't. Yeah. I'm going to rip it if I do that. Let me see. Maybe if I just. Okay. Good. I got it. I was feeling like I'm not going to be able to do this because it's feel real fitly. And I feel like some of it is stuck. And I'm tired. Okay. 1 second. Okay. There we go. All right. All right. There we go. This is how it looks. It's pretty, right? Well, I think it is. So, yeah. So, that's it for this kit. Sending good thoughts. I'm sending good thoughts your way, people. Alright, so that's it. I like this little dove. Oh, it's cute. Alright, so that's it. So, with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you. And remember, Jesus loves you. All right. Later.